Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. Hope everyone is okay. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable a demo mode in Huawei P10 Lite. In order to enable demo mode you have to enable developer option first, and then in order to do the developer option, in order to get into the developer option you have to get into the settings. In the settings at the end you'll see system. In the system you'll find about device. In about device, as you can see, build number, you have to click 7 times on build number, 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now you are already a developer. So if you go back in the system, at the end you will see developer option is on. You have this option. In the developer option you can find so many options. There is a demo mode. Select demo mode, enable demo mode. So I'm just going to enable the demo mode. That's how you get into the demo mode of Huawei P10 Lite. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.